This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go over Bitcoin. We had a breakout. Let's talk about the details. Our VIP caught the move, guys. Exciting. Let's get into the details. I'm in Beverly Hills today. A few meetings this week in Beverly Hills. Let's dig into the price action. And congratulations to the VIP. What move did we catch in the back? Now, you know we were looking at the bull flag. It looked like the bulls had failed. However, and let's shout out to the VIP because what did we do, guys? I want to tell you, as an absolute fact, we are the group that caught this low. Bam. Congratulations to the VIP. We caught this low. If you're still riding that, you've maxed out at 12%. The number one trade group, guys, I'm going to tell you, we catch the lows, guys. Very, very well done. Now, in terms of the actual formation, you know that we had the bull flag. It frustrated. What did we run into? Let's cover with the VIP. Pardon, guys. A little bit hoarse from talking inside. In terms of what the VIP covered, let's look at the expansion. We always say we rock the bells. You know that. We rock the bells. A bell formation, the expansion, broadening, wedge, descending. We also call this a bump and run variation. These are actually out of the back, and pay attention, out of the back of the probability sheets that I provide to the VIP, you will see the exact structure here. What's important on our probability sheet that I provided to the VIP before the launch, before Bitcoin took off, that probability, take a look at this. What's the percentage breakout to the upside? 72%. 72%, guys. That's what I provided the VIP last night. Huge returns by the VIP. Want to specifically shout out to Gulshan. Gulshan, I know you're heading to Egypt. Congratulations. And what are you, 400 or 500% up in the money today? VIP are just killing it. Now, in terms of the additionals that we're going to look at here, I want to discuss some of the repeat pattern that we have. I want to discuss a little bit of company here coming in to this function. But guys, take a look at the two bell formations on the macro within this overall range. You guys, I will let you know the 4-hourly golden short, the VIP indicator, paid the 4-hourly golden short. When you have an upside target, such as with the specific bull flag, pay attention, guys. When you have a bull flag such as this and you have an upside target, I want you to be very careful shorting against a primary pattern as such. Be careful, guys. Please be careful on any shorts on lower time frames, especially unless you got Jackie Chan hands. You guys know, unless you have those Jackie Chan hands. We say quick hands, guys, and you know how to order. Let's say execute your orders, right? Your spread, etc. You have to be lightning quick on those exchanges at the smaller time frames. Now, in terms of expansion number one, expansion number two, let's see, expansion number two right in this area. You see that we had two bell formations. This secondary one is played out the same as the primary one. Look at this, guys. In terms of this level of support, the level of resistance, right? Expanding. We want to be a part of that increased volatility, bam, to the upside. This preceding one stopped out at the initiation of the wedge, at the starting point of the wedge. This is the secondary wedge here. You'll see this secondary bell formation. There's a reason we say they rock, bam, to the upside, guys. That's 70+% likelihood that they will rock to the upside. What I'm going to say is that this has performed in line with the preceding to this top side structure, guys, the top line structure here. And in the context, the exciting thing is the following. We had the breakout that turned into a fake out that turned into really a save. And I'll tell you, just those bell formations are difficult to fight against. But looking at the entirety of this, let's see if we can clean up just a second. Let me take the QKD off, our quantitative kernel delimiter, and let's look at what is the market assessing right now. Very important that we go through this. And guys, appreciate you being in the back, etc. What I want to do, guys, VIP number one trade group, and I say that all the time, not to just plug it, but I want to attract the very best in the market. We've had it since day one in our group, and we just don't apologize for it. If you want to beat the market, absolutely VIP is the place for you. It is not, guys, it's not a light in the loafers crew. We're heavy hitters. We have some of the biggest and best traders in crypto. We're excited about that fact, and that's not just a tagline, guys. Looking at the amplitude of this channel, I want to bring this up for consideration to the market because this is a standard, very standard feature that we would look at here in terms of the multiple hits along this level of support, right? This rectangulation, multiple hits, this hit 1, 2, 3 along this level of resistance, this block range, all right? The block range herein has, I'd say, provided the traders with an upside resistance of 20,400, just under 20,400. That is going to be the key focal as we look at breaking out and adding on another $2,200 to the price of Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you, breaking through this top line range, stacking the amplitude on top, that's the next major move for Bitcoin. Major move for Bitcoin, an additional 11.414% to the upside. Right now, what has been accomplished is the following. We have broken out of this half diamond. You know that we broke out, we actually capitulated back within until we got into that bell pattern formation. And one more time, just shout out to the VIP. That's what VIP are all about. Looking at bringing that information in the back before launch. Extremely excited that we're able to provide you guys these signals. And guys, we're just excited. Where's that trade from Gulshan? Gulshan, you're gonna have to repost it. There we go. 500, excuse me. You multiplied your money by 5 today. Guys, that's just VIP. And we're not, what did I say, guys? We're not ashamed of the fact that we have some heavy hands in the back. It's not just a light crowd, guys. We trade heavily. If you're looking to learn either spot or leverage, I'll tell you either one, you'll be at home in VIP. Looking at level of resistance, okay? We've broken through level of resistance. I am identifying this range feature as the next primary level to be beaten, okay? This setting a candle up and over that 20,400 mark, we will have an upside target. In addition to all the other trade tactics that we use on behalf of New York Institute of Finance of 22,639. Just pay attention to the logic. Please review it. I always say do your own TA, but you guys know we're going to rely on New York Institute of Finance. And in terms of the active, I want to say the active signals that we have right now on our quantitative kernel delimiter, that is the name of our specific indicator. What I'm going to tell you is that if you have gotten in on the 4 hourly, it has already paid you. Okay, it has already paid you. We would like to see a breakout. Guys, we want this to be a good year for Bitcoin. We still have time. So 20,400, we would like to see that level and that threshold beaten. The 20,400 bottom line. That would put us up and above that top line resistance so that you understand, in line with the New York Institute of Finance, we would need to see a breakout up and above this range and reinforce with momentum, as you guys know, for that 11% carry up. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We will be doing quite a bit over the next several weeks, and I just want to invite you to join our group. And in terms of yesterday, I mentioned some trade groups, trade setups by Lockheed Martin, etc. Guys, clearly Lockheed Martin doesn't trade. I re-listened to the video. I want to let you know, Digital Tigers, listen up, Digital Tigers is the company that we have purchased our trade control station, 15 monitors across, beautiful system. They do the displays for Lockheed Martin, that's one of their clients, also for Raytheon, also personally for Bill Gates himself. So in addition to the institutional investment banking clients, you guys know it's like Lockheed Martin doesn't day trade. They're not supposed to, right? But the guys there might. In terms of that, we have a very professional setup incoming. We're excited about bringing it to you guys. Join today. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Way to trade VIP. Way to catch that bell. We rock the bells. You guys know that. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.